The Ukrainian Defense Forces successfully destroyed a Russian Tor surface-to-air missile (SAM) system using the Switchblade 600 loitering munition. The video, published by the press service of the 14th Separate Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Regiment on Telegram, shows the successful strike. The 14th Separate UAV Regiment, in cooperation with the Security Service of Ukraine, identified and targeted the Tor SAM. Once the Russian system was detected, the reconnaissance drone operator tracked it continuously, while simultaneously relaying coordinates to the Switchblade 600 crew. Upon launching the loitering munition, the Russian air defense system began to leave its combat position. However, at that moment, a precision-guided munition struck its rear. A second munition then ignited the Russian system. The targeted system was an M2 variant of the Tor SAM, which is currently the most advanced version and poses a significant threat to Ukrainian drones. The operation took place in the Donetsk region, where Ukrainian units are actively working to locate and neutralize Russian military equipment, including artillery and air defense systems. Earlier reports in early October noted that FPV drone operators from the Achilles Battalion of the 92nd Assault Brigade successfully destroyed another enemy Tor air defense system. Footage revealed that this enemy air defense system was stationed in an open field when it was detected by an FPV drone. The Russian Tor SAM is a frequent target for Ukrainian forces using artillery, rocket systems, and drones. As part of the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, Russia has lost approximately 61 Tor systems of various models through destruction, abandonment, capture, or damage.